Hey guys, Jared here. So we were so tired of our tension rod just falling every other day. Wouldn't stick up on the walls, it was just a little too short. So we got this product here. Inside the box, you've got all the pieces that you need. It gives you the instructions on how to put together the extension tension rod. You've got your two little pieces here with the rubber feet. So that way these will just stay up right on the wall without sliding. And this provides a good amount of suction, a good amount of resistance here to prevent it from sliding. The rods just easily attach right inside one another, just like that. This one goes on this end. You've got two different sizes here. The one that extends is going to go in the smaller one right here, just like this. Then you push it down, and then you can make it larger or smaller. And then depending upon your shower, you may or may not need this last piece. And so for us here, we don't need this extra piece because we already have the entire length and it's doing a great job of standing up. Let's put the rings on here in the shower curtain. All right, so now this is a great fit. This is holding everything up the way it's supposed to. It looks nice, it has a nice aesthetic. So this was really easy to put together and we didn't even need this extra piece here. So if you have a longer shower, this would still work because you have this extension. And if you have a shorter shower, you could actually take another one of these pieces off and it would still work. So I would definitely say check this out.